This next part guru lures you in with their phenomenal springs and stampings, but as soon as you see the depth of their services, you'll be letting them do your sheet metal, laser, CNC machining, assembly, and even powder coating and paint to keep it under one roof. Meet our, I guess I call them your everything guru. This is Southern Spring and Stamping and more. In fact, it's Bradmore.
What you're seeing here is our largest spring customer. We ship them 1 million parts a day, and we make over 950 different versions of springs for them. I'll say that again, 1 million parts a day. We're the first spring manufacturer in Florida, founded in 1957. In our wire department, we also offer extension springs, torsion springs, and wire forms.
We can assist with design. We have lots of capabilities to help you get exactly what you're looking for.
This is a magazine clip for the gun industry, double torsion spring, wire form.
So both those springs are actually used for parachute, and then you got, springs which are just the regular.
We can go up to a 1/4 inch in wire diameter, and we can go down to 004, which is about half the thickness of your hair. Over here, this equipment here is our coilers. So they're called simplexes. They run over 99% efficient as far as the parts that they make. As they run, they take a picture of every part that they make and self-adjust their own tolerances.
So what makes us unique in the stamping world is we can take the design and the ideas, everything from prototype to high production.
Help us continue to support American manufacturing. Please like and subscribe.
So this is set up for a low volume run. This is about 4,000 pieces. It hasn't quite gone into production, full production. It's still in a testing phase. So this is what we would call a put and take operation. And the operator is moving the parts through the different stations. If that were to become a high volume job, we can use those same components because it's all built in the modular system, and then we can add it to a high production die.
So while Southern Spring and Stamping is our name, there's much more to us.
So we've added stamping, sheet metal, chassis, enclosures, weldments,
Machining, welding, powder coating, and Swiss parts.
So we can also make assemblies. So we can make the materials, we can assemble it, we can put it together, we can package, barcode.
And the good news is we adapt with our customers. That's why we're not just springs anymore.
We're typically known for things that other people can't do or won't do. So we have better people and we have better equipment.
Because at Southern Spring, we want you just to relax. We got your back. Southern Spring and Stamping, our place does look like a resort, but that's because that's the way we want to treat you. We want you to feel like you can talk to us. We want you to have that resort experience where you know you're getting the best quality part and the best quality service at the same time. Because the less pain you have with your supplier, the better off you are.
Come and see a full video tour of our factory at notjustsprings.com.